India has provided full details of targets hit by its military as part of Operation Sindoor. Videos as well as satellite images were shared and explained in detail. In total, 13 terror infrastructure and 11 military sites were pounded. Around 100+ terrorists were killed. Top targets eliminated include Yusuf Azhar, Abdul Malik Rauf, and Mudassir Ahmad. The Pakistani military has also suffered heavy damage both in men and material. India has now become the only nation in the world to neutralize multiple air bases of a nuclear-armed country. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes what weapons India used against Pakistan in Operation Sindoor. Proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted and fastest VPN brand that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte. NordVPN provides a 256-bit encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy and also enables you to access contents that are blocked based on geolocation. Its threat protection system helps you avoid phishing, scams, and malware. NordVPN application is available for all the major platforms as well as browsers. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive saving by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. Reports suggest Sky Striker has been utilized for destroying terror launch pads in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir and Pakistan. Sky Striker is a cost-effective loitering munition developed through Indo-Israeli collaboration. It is an autonomous drone designed for precision strikes. It is developed by Elbit Systems of Israel in collaboration with Alpha Design Technologies based in Bengaluru, India. Sky Striker has a range of 100 kilometers or 62 miles, endurance up to 2 hours with a 5 kilogram or 11-pound warhead, and 1 hour with 10 kilograms, 22 pounds warhead. It can dive at speeds up to 550 kilometers per hour or 345 miles per hour. Its electric propulsion ensures a low acoustic signature, making it ideal for covert operations. Sky Striker is a fully autonomous system capable of locating, acquiring, and striking operator-designated targets with high precision. Its modular design and truck-portable launcher allow one-man operation and rapid deployment. An advanced onboard processor handles navigation and target engagement, while secure data links let an operator designate targets. A dual-gimbaled CCD-IR seeker with synchronized trackers provides day-night electro-optical target acquisition. Sky Striker provides maneuverable troops and special forces with direct-fire aerial precision capabilities, enhancing situational awareness and survivability. In a precision strike, the Indian Air Force has reportedly destroyed a newly established hangar hosting multiple Chinese-origin Winglong, 2 unmanned combat aerial vehicles at Pakistan Air Force Base Sukhur. The strike was carried out using RAMPAGE air-launched ballistic missiles launched from Jaguar Darren 2 deep penetration strike aircraft. RAMPAGE is an air-to-surface missile developed by Israeli Military Industries Systems in coordination with Israel Aerospace Industries. It is an air-launched derivative of ground-launched extended-range artillery, guided artillery rocket or EXTRA. The weapon was first revealed in a press release on June 11, 2018. Interestingly, India became the first customer of this missile. RAMPAGE has a length of 4.7 meters, a diameter of 306 millimeters, and weighs in at 580 kilograms or 1,280 pounds. The missile uses a GPS-assisted inertial navigation system (INS) guidance package to hit its intended target. The guidance package is resistant to electronic jamming. RAMPAGE has a range of 90 miles or 145 kilometers and has a supersonic speed of Mach 1 and an accuracy of 10 meters CP. It can be configured with general purpose, GP, blast fragmentation, or penetration warhead. The important factor is that the angle of impact is up to 90 degrees, so it comes down almost vertically onto its target. A plunge like that makes it much harder to intercept. HAROP has most likely been used to neutralize the Pakistani air defense system, which includes Chinese HQ-9 SAM. The HAROP, developed by Israel Aerospace Industries, IAI, is a long-range autonomous loitering munition designed primarily for the suppression of enemy air defenses, SEAD, and precision strike missions. Combining attributes of a UAV and a missile, HAROP provides a unique capability to search, identify, and destroy high-value targets, including radar systems and mobile air defense units, with minimal risk to human operators. HAROP has a fixed-wing, delta-shaped design with a pusher propeller configuration powered by a piston engine. It measures approximately 2.5 meters in length with a wingspan of 3 meters. Its compact and aerodynamic structure allows for extended flight duration and precise maneuverability. The munition is launched from a sealed canister, which can be installed on ground vehicles, ships, or airborne platforms. Once airborne, it transitions to autonomous flight, controlled via GPS and inertial navigation systems. One of HAROP's key advantages is its long endurance and extended range. It can loiter for up to 6 hours and has a maximum range exceeding 1,000 kilometers or 621 miles. This allows it to monitor a wide area before selecting and striking a target, which is especially valuable in high-threat environments where enemy systems might be mobile or intermittently active. The HAROP carries a high-explosive warhead in its nose section, weighing approximately 50 pounds or 23 kilograms. Its sensor suite includes electro-optical, EO, and infrared, IR, cameras, allowing operators to manually identify and lock onto targets. Once a target is confirmed, HAROP dives into it with high precision, effectively functioning as a suicide drone. The system also supports man-in-the-loop control, meaning operators can abort missions mid-flight if the tactical situation changes, preserving the munition for reuse or rerouting. Indian Rafale jets equipped with HAMMER were used to target terror camps. HAMMER is an acronym for Highly Agile Modular Munition Extended Range. It is an all-weather, smart, air-to-surface standoff weapon developed by Safran Electronics and Defense. Similar to the US-made JDAM, the Safran Electronics and Defense manufactured upgrade kit attaches movable wings, a rocket motor, advanced navigation, and targeting electronics to a dumb, unguided aerial bomb, converting it into a precision-guided standoff weapon. HAMMER is basically a conventional bomb upgraded with a guidance and glide kit. This enables it to have greater precision and reach. The baseline variant integrates a nose-mounted guidance section and a tail-mounted range extension kit, which consists of a rocket booster attached to a 250-kilogram, 550-pound unguided bomb. This variant features a hybrid guidance, inertial navigation system INS with global positioning system GPS. Other variants incorporate either infrared homing or laser guidance in addition to the INS GPS-1 for increased accuracy. Thus, it offers 3 different types of guidance options depending on the target and operational context. The kits have further been developed for use with 125 kilogram, 276 pounds, 500 kilogram, 1,100 pounds, and 1,000 kilogram, 2,200 pound class bombs. Depending on the drop altitude, HAMMER can hit targets at a maximum range of 70 kilometers or 43.5 miles. This is similar to JDAM-ER. HAMMER is capable of engaging moving land targets or high-speed agile marine targets with remarkable accuracy down to within a meter. The smart bomb can be used for both close air support and deep strike missions. Rafale fighters armed with SCALP-EG have been used to take out terror infra as well as military targets. SCALP-EG is an Anglo-French low-observable, long-range air-launched cruise missile developed since 1994 by Matra and British Aerospace and now manufactured by MBDA. The British equivalent is known as Storm Shadow. SCALP-EG entered into service in 2002. It is comparable to cruise missiles such as the American AGM-1, 58JASSM, and the German-Swedish KEPD-350 Taurus. SCALP-EG is equipped with a TR-6030 turbojet engine, providing it with a max range of 560 kilometers or 350 miles. India most likely has the export version that has a range of 250 kilometers or 155 miles. The missile has a top speed of Mach 0.95. For mid-course guidance, Storm Shadow employs a triple navigation system using inertial navigation, GPS, and terrain reference navigation. For terminal guidance, it uses an imaging infrared seeker and automated target recognition software for pinpoint accuracy. It is a fire-and-forget missile, Program before launch. Once launched, the missile cannot be controlled or commanded to self-destroy, and its target information cannot be changed. Storm Shadow is equipped with a 450 kilograms or 990 pounds broach warhead. This is a two-stage warhead made up of an initial shaped charge, which cuts a passage through concrete, earth, etc., allowing a follow-on warhead to penetrate the target. Because of this warhead design, cruise missiles can now achieve the level of hard target penetration that was previously limited to laser-guided gravity bombs. Recent enhancements include the capability to relay target information just before impact and the usage of a one-way link back to relay battle damage assessment information back to the host aircraft. It is believed BRAHMOS was employed to attack the Nurkan Air Base on May 10th, which houses Pakistani nuclear warheads and one of the most heavily defended sites in the country. Also, the main hangar of PAF base Shahbaz, Jacobabad was most likely hit with this missile. BRAHMOS is developed jointly by India's Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, and Russia's NPO Mashinostroyenia. It is powered by a ramjet engine. BRAHMOS is armed with a 300 kilogram or 660 pound semi-armor piercing warhead and has a supersonic speed of Mach 3. While the warhead is crucial, it is also to be noted that being twice as heavy and almost 4 times as fast as a typical cruise missile, like the American Tomahawk, the BRAHMOS has more than 32 times kinetic energy. The combined destructive force of massive warhead and kinetic energy is lethal for even the biggest surface warships and bunkers. BRAHMOS has broken ships in half in several tests. The missile is hard to shoot down since it has the capability to fly extremely close to the ground or sea level to avoid missile defense systems. During the terminal phase, the missile can fly as low as 10 meters to the ground. Also, in the final stages of flight, it doesn't move in a straight line, but performs a S maneuver. BRAHMOS is also pretty difficult to jam since it has lots of redundancies in the guidance system, right from the INS, GPS, GLONASS, and GAGN, and it also has an active radar seeker or inertial guidance for the final phase. Its accuracy of around 1 square meter makes it suitable for precision strikes. During Operation Sindoor, all of the BRAHMOS fired were reportedly air-launched from Su-30 MKI. BRAHMOS A is a modified variant of its basic configuration and is specifically designed for air launch. The missile has a range of 500 kilometers, 310 miles. It features several design refinements, which include a lighter propulsion system, weight reduction, as well as redesigned fins and nose caps. Though BRAHMOS A is lighter than the original BRAHMOS, it is still a heavy missile, and integration with a fighter aircraft required many changes that included strengthening the Su-30 MKI airframe, particularly its underbelly weapon station, the addition of new hardpoints, and modification of cockpit controls. BRAHMOS A is thought to be even harder to intercept compared to land or warship launch variants, since its starting speed is the same as that of carrier Su-30 MKI, and this reduces time to target further. India has 42 Su-30 MKIs that are modified for carrying BRAHMOS.